扎西的嘞。Good morning everyone, welcome back to the channel and it's time to ride again. I am now in Lulangzhen, one of the few pastoral land in Tibet. It's beautiful and today I will be riding to a place called Pagsum Tsho. It's a very beautiful highland lake. So I've got the map here. This is Lulang, so I will ride towards Dji and climb over a mountain pass of 4,700 meters and then continued to this lake, Pagsum Tsho. There is another small lake further which is called Tsho, and maybe I can make it to this lake tomorrow. This place is so beautiful. This morning I was talking with my hotel manager. She's local and she said Dji has been very popular for Tibetan tourists. So in summer many people from Lhasa come here to spend a few days and enjoy this green nature. The higher I go, the colder it gets. That is the famous Nanjia Feng, the highest peak in Dji. It's over 7,000 meters, and now it's hiding behind the cloud. Now it's a rainy season, so if you want to see the peak of the Nanjia, you got to be very lucky. I see, that's the answer to the traffic jam. Not the accident.
说明下面还没放完这个。
不是双向放的吗？看它高度哦。
这个后面这个就是上下车挤在一起了，是吧？
方都一样。
对，就是没动的，就是绿的那一段，大家的车还在动。
他们挤的话就有点麻烦。
对，一挤的话就慢了。
就是车队，对，还是说是
你这样慢慢下去的话没问题，他们一直想超那个大车，然后就堵住了。我们是从昨天7点干到现在都没干完。通宵的我们都没有休息。
我跟你说，318现在就是，要么在修路，要么就在修路的路上。你不修的话，它也整不了。
你说吧，你说不修路，说哎修这么烂路，你们不修修了，你们说又堵车。
对，一修就堵车。
他们是双向的，没办法。
而且这路也容易坏。
对，因为你自己看，一路下来最少30多架这种大车。
对，大车多。
这种大车又是重的，又没有限制。
对。
随便多少斤都是。
对。The traffic jam lasted for an hour, and finally I could go. After another 2 hours ride, I reached Pagsum Tsho scenic zone.
就一个人是吧？
对，就我一个人。
祝您一路平安，到 K23131。
谢谢。
来，你车后人啊。
The entrance ticket is 120, and I think not every car is allowed, but we didn't check with me because it's a small motorbike. Wow, this is so amazing. This day I decided to stay in this village by the lake called Cuogao Village. I went to a random tea house and got a bowl of hot Tibetan noodles. This is a guest house, and this is my room for today, 120 yuan per night. The hotel manager is local, so now it's not the high season, so the hotel price isn't so expensive. I'm going to quickly drop my luggage and then go for a walk to the lake. Then I rode to the end of the lake to a village called Cuogao. It's a quiet Tibetan village, and most houses are under renovation. I have been wondering a lot what this little box is, and now I'm pretty sure this is a toilet. And a squat toilet. Nobody lives here right now, but many houses are under renovation. Perhaps all the villagers are reallocated, and when the village finishes reconstruction, they will move back. It's quite a big house, but it's not very high. That's a cooking area.老板，番茄多少钱一斤？好的，我称一点。这边有没有黄瓜卖？
黄瓜有啊。
嗯。
黄瓜是
好的。好的。This morning, I will be driving a little bit further into the mountains to another small lake called Tsho. So everyone is telling me that the landscape there is pretty stunning. And it's about 15 kilometers away from here. Dirt road. It's going to be very hard for the cars, but for my scooter, I think I can still manage it. Okay, this is it's actually not too bad. Ah, 你好，请问新措是这儿吗？
不是，新措是那边。
啊。
前面有个2个路嘛。
哦。
那边的路。
啊，行行行，好的。好的好的。嗯。The suspension on my scooter is weak, so that's the sound it makes when it drives through a road full of potholes. Hello, Piggy. This truck is getting really close. I have no food, bro. I have no food. I have an orange, but do you want an orange? Cucumber? No? Not interested? Okay, you don't like it. That's 大哥，麻烦帮我开下门行吗？帮我开下门，谢谢。
哥，我等一电车就行。不要插队。
After 2 hours, I rode over the bridges and rivers, through the forest, and finally I reached the lake. The road is so bumpy that it almost kills my butt, but this landscape, this scenery is definitely worth it. This is my table. It still smells like pine tree. And this is my bench. Before ending, I want to add one more thing. The Tibetans in this region belongs to Gongbuzangzu. Gongbuzangzu is one subgroup under Weizang, so they have their distinct dressing style. Anyway, there are many small subgroups among the Tibetans. So that's all for today. I'm going to enjoy my lunch now. And if you like it, please give me a thumb up. Thanks for watching and